This is Talal Al-Hithal, Vice President of National Technology Development Program. Well, we are very happy to be here today exhibiting and showing what NTDP is doing. So basically, LEAP will create the platform that is required to have the supply side and the demand side from the ecosystem. We are very happy today to see the different beneficiaries from the entire ecosystem. We are talking about entrepreneurs, we are talking about SMEs and startups, we're talking about also unicorns and also the technology challenge and how we can incentivize the research and development and the innovation. Great, so basically NTDP was established to accelerate the growth of the information technology sector in the kingdom. And in order to do that, the government allocated 2.5 billion riyal in order to provide that to the beneficiaries through a different set of financial solutions, whether if it's grants, subsidies, and financial guarantee. So basically, NTDP looking into the challenges that is available in the market, and then NTDP will design the right packages, whether it's educational, whether it's financial packages, whether it's directly or indirectly, in order to utilize it by the right beneficiaries to promote the entire industry. So far we have launched 3 different products that tackle every single pillar of the program. We're talking about providing the financial guarantee to SMEs. We also launched another product called Talal, where we're going to provide different services for them to scale them up and hopefully eventually that they will export their product to the regional market. Then the third product was to incentivize the research and development and the innovation, where NTDP introduced different challenges, that is real challenges from the market, from the technology market, to the universities and the faculty and the students. So they will form student groups that they will have a solution to such challenges, and then NTDP aspect will be covering that grant in order to bring the real life challenges to the technology industry. So by doing so, we're trying to incentivize the R&D, as this is the real foundation of the entire technology sector. So hopefully NTDP will really contribute to the entire vision of the 2030 and eventually will contribute to the technology sector GDP, overall GDP of the kingdom. Well, I believe a platform of LEAP that can unlock the real connection that is requested by startups and entrepreneurs and the other side of the VCs and the investors. So today we do have different stages here in LEAP that every single investor can pitch their investment, and then the other side, the investors are also available, whether angel investors, whether VCs. So such gathering is really needed by the market, and hopefully that such a LEAP event will be evolving over the time, and that will also force the majority to participate and attend every single year to just catch up with the cutting edge technology that is available. Hopefully such platform will be pushing the market towards more creativity, more innovative solution, and more research and development. Definitely yes, we need to show hopefully by next year the upcoming products. We need to reactivate what NTDP shall achieve this year by next year hopefully, and then we need also to show and see what are the real challenges by the beneficiary. So by having a stand for NTDP today, so that means we would like to hear from the market in order for us to create a product to the market. So hearing from the beneficiary is essential for us to be able to design the right product in order to address the real challenges, so we can eventually grow the entire technology GDP.